सब्सक्राइब करें बर्ड्स ऑल अबाउट को और दबाइए इस बेल आइकन को ताकि आपको हमारी हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके।
But one of the most amazing birds in the world is the Eclectus parrot, because it breaks virtually every rule in the evolutionary rulebook. The male is green and the female red. So strikingly different are they that for a long time people thought that the two must be separate species. Scientist Rob Heinsohn set out to discover the secrets of this rare creature.
Eclectus parrots are the pinnacle of parrot evolution. Their coloration has gone into uncharted waters. They are so different, and I just needed to know why. Okay. Well, I've disturbed them now, but I had to do that just to see if they were occupying the hollows. And one did indeed come out of one of the hollows, so it's a very good sign at this stage. And it does mean that it's worth putting a line up and climbing the tree and having a closer look.
But there was just one problem.
I have a terrible, terrible fear of heights. I was getting dizzier by the moment, but I was also driven by an incredible desire to see what was inside those hollows. So I overcame that fear. I forced myself to stay steady on the rope and to keep climbing. Hey, Lindsay, got eggs? That's absolutely fantastic. It means they're breeding again. I'll just go up to the other hole and see how they're doing. And I went up 15 metres, 20 metres, 25 metres, and finally I reached the nest hole I was looking for. I reached inside, had a look inside, and there were two beautiful little chicks. Yep, we got chicks in here. Oh, they're beautiful too.
For the last 8 years, Rob has studied the female and all her chicks that live in this hollow. He measures and marks each one and monitors their growth. This doesn't seem to upset the chicks or stop their mother from nurturing them.
Our number one female, a star performer. She's just done what she typically does. She just produces healthy little guys like this and get a very good start for their long life in the rainforest.
A good hollow is hard to find, and the female guards hers fiercely.
We've spent a lot of time just watching her at the nest hollow. We built hides in neighbouring trees, and we spent a lot of time in the treetops. And we just watched the female's behaviour.
Rob's favorite female is not taking any chances with her hollow and doesn't budge for the entire 9-month breeding season. She is totally reliant on the male to bring her food.
A bit like Meals on Wheels. She's acting like an invalid, staying at home. The males are out there doing all of the work, coming and going all day long, purely for the right to regurgitate some food to her. And of course, they're hoping to get sex in return.
But this female wasn't just being attended by one male, she was getting lots of attention. In fact, 7 males were lining up to feed her. And she was mating with all of them.
And we worked out that this was, in a way, a form of trickery. She was trying to give them the idea that they all had a chance of being the dads. And that would give them extra incentive to go off and find the food.
But DNA tests on the chick's feathers revealed something astonishing. Of the 24 young she's produced in the last 8 years, 19 are from the same super stud male. To complete the picture, Rob wanted to know how far the males were going on their feeding trips.